Okay, so at this stage I've finished with the wet and dry sanding. Hopefully you can see we've got a nice matte finish there. From here I'm going to use some fine grade steel wool. Usually pick this up at a craft store or a hardware store. This is super fine grade. And what we're really doing from here is just dulling the finish. So remember, you don't have to worry about moving your sandpaper or steel wool with the grain anymore. We're actually sanding paint. So I like to use a circular motion. And I keep this moving as well. And what we're really trying to do here is just remove any signs of any even minor scratching from the high grade sandpaper. And what you'll end up with is a nice, really matte looking finish. And from here, it's a personal choice whether you want to keep it as a matte finish or polish it up using a buffer and some polishing or finer grade stuff again. We'll demonstrate that regardless, but it's quite acceptable to leave it at this point as well.